dealing with one of the most important topic, that is dimension of business environment, or we can also call it as component of business environment. uh, I'm sure you have written the notes of features of BE. You're supposed to write the points. Importance of BE, you're supposed to write the points. Types of BE, that was the last topic that we did. Types of BE has got two types, internal and external. Internal are the ones which are in the control of the business environment, that is suppliers, customers, marketing intermediaries and everything. We have stopped at slide number 15 in the last session. Today we'll start with slide number 16, and today we are going to cover 16 to 25, that is 9 slides. This topic is one of the most crucial topic, and whenever you refer the last papers, this has been asked continuously. There won't be a single paper where this case studies or the concept won't be there. Let us start. What do you mean by components of environment? Now these are known as macro factors. In other words, we can call it as external macro factors. External macro factors. These macro factors are not in the control of business environment. Now when you see this diagram on slide number 16, just refer the diagram. Business environment is in center, and there are 5 types of dimensions, that is economic, social, legal, political, technological. Again I am repeating: economical, social, legal, political, technological. 17 slide, you can just refer it. We'll move towards 18. Now whenever you do business, this macro environment are not in our hands. We cannot do anything of this environment. But what is the solution is, we have to frame our business according to the economic environment. Economic environment means what is going in the economy, which we cannot change, but we can adopt our business accordingly. So let us start with the dimension of business environment. The first heading is economic environment. Now, when you do business, can you change GDP? Can you change GNP? Can you change national income? Can you change per capita income? No, we can't change it. But when you do business, you can have these resources working for you or working against you. So it is very complicated and dynamic in nature. So economic environment is what is going in the economy. As a business unit, you cannot change the economy. You cannot change the fiscal policy. You cannot change the economical policy. So when government is making such changes, it may affect the business in a positive way or in a negative way. So economic environment also includes the role of private sector and public sector. Now, these are decided by the authorities of government or by the governing bodies. Rate of savings and investment. Once upon a time, if you keep FDs in bank, the rate was 9%. In the current scenario, the rate of saving is only 6%. Can you change it? No, we cannot change it. In the same way, the loans, the car loan or home loan, the rate is differing. So when you do business, you have to adopt that rate if you are in need of those things. So that is known as economic environment. Money supply, inflation, deflation. Can you change it? No. It is a part of economy, and we have to adopt those economy. Balance of payment. How much money is coming in the country, how much money is going outside the country. It will make an impact on dollar rupee and rupee dollar conversion. So when you are doing such business, you have to see this. Agricultural environment, GNP, GDP. Now in case study, anything about this is coming, and they will be telling you to explain the environment, that is known as economic environment. In other words, economic environment means the environment which is surrounding the business in an economical pattern. So we have to adopt that environment, we have to study that environment and make our business such that it can survive in the economic environment. The second environment is political environment. Now what do you mean by political environment? India is having 29 states, and every state has got a different political leader. Of course, there is a central government, but there is also a state government. Delhi is managed by Kejriwal. He is having his own policy. In the same way, MP is managed by a different CM. Gujarat is managed by a different CM. So different chief minister will be making different policies, which can be again in favor, which can be against, in or it can be in favor or it can be against you. Political environment means whatever politics is going on, the politics of Kashmir is different, the politics of Kerala is different, the politics of Gujarat is different, the political scenario of Mumbai is different. So we have to see that what is the political situation going on, and accordingly you have to draft your business. Political ideology of ruling party, what ruling party wants, what it suppose, you have to go with the flow. How much government interferes in your business, how much government intervenes in your business, that is also to be studied. So that is known as political environment. It is very important to understand political environment when you start business. Say for example, if I'm giving you offer, I'm giving you 10 lakh rupees and I'm telling that start a business in Kashmir, will you do it? No. Why? Because the political situations are not user friendly there. But if I say that start in Gujarat, yes, you will do it. Why? Because the political situation or environment is favoring those businesses in Gujarat. So that is known as political environment. Again, point number 1 was economic environment. Economic environment means the surroundings of economy, that is known as economic environment. Political environment means the politics, I mean the political parties, the political ideologies, we call it as political environment. Third is socio-cultural environment. Socio-cultural means the traditions, the taste, the preferences. We cannot change it. Why here Western clothes are sold less? Why? Because teenagers are not less. Why in Bhavnagar we don't have this McD's? Why it is not there? Because it's a socio-cultural environment, society, culture. Here most of them are 60% of the people are they are darbars, so they wear the traditional clothes, the sarees and all. So here Western will not work. So that is known as socio-cultural environment. When you move to Delhi, Mumbai, these are metro cities, number of teenagers are more, so the dressing is according to that. So living style, taste, preferences, it is also to be studied. Whenever you start any business, you have to study the socio-cultural part. If I want to start a non-veg restaurant in Palitana, can I do it? No, I can't do it. Why? Because it won't work there. Because it's a pilgrimage place, it's a place for Jain people who go for the religious wishes there, I mean they go for religious visits there. So non-veg won't work there. Where it will work, in south it will work. So it is very important for us to study the socio-cultural environment when you are starting any business, because socio-cultural is something which you cannot change. It will take a lot of time to change it. Again, I'm referring to slide number 9, 18, 19. What do you mean by economic environment? The environment which is surrounded by the economy, GDP, GNP, per capita, national income, these are the part of economic environment. We cannot change it. We have to adopt the business according that way. Every state has got a different political party, every different political party has a different agenda. So you have to see that your business falls in which agenda of that political areas, and you have to adopt that changes. That is political environment. If you start business or if you run business, it is also very important to understand socio-cultural environment, what people want there. There is one example, quality of life. Quality of life means how you live. The quality of life of people of Mumbai is different, the quality of life of people of London is different, the quality of people of life in village is different. So whenever you start business in London, you have to maintain the standard. If you start in village, you have to see the price segment also, life expectancy rate, birth rate and death rate. Recently there are many deaths in Italy because of coronavirus. But why there were death rates? Because majority of old people were living there were more, वहाँ पे ज़्यादा एज के लोग ज़्यादा थे. सो दैट इज़ सोशियो कल्चरल एनवायरनमेंट. Expectations from workforce, like Alang, most of the workforce are from UP and Bihar. So what are their expectations? So you have to start business accordingly. Consumption habits, whether you when you start a veg restaurant or a non-veg restaurant, you have to see consumption habit. Is there a quotient of non-veg people here? No. If not, then you should not start a non-veg restaurant. If it is, then you can start. What are the consumer preferences? what are the festivals, religious belief. This you have to study when you are starting any business, because India is a country with emotions and sentiments. It is very important for us to understand this socio-cultural environment. The next environment is legal environment. Legal environment means the law which are made by the government. Now there would be a confusion in legal environment and the economical environment, because it goes together. Even legal and political goes together. But legal environment, how can you make it easy? Legal environment means which is passed by the parliament. Few examples are given: Factories Act, Trade Union Act, Industrial Dispute Act, Consumer Protection Act. These are the act which are passed by the government. I'll give you one simple example just to make you understand. In Gujarat, alcohol is banned, whereas in other countries, I mean in other state, you can get it easily. It's a case of legal environment, because the court is not permitting it. It is the rule of this state that alcohol is banned here. That is known as legal environment. You have to adopt those rules. That is legal environment. I'll just give one simple case study of coronavirus. Right now 7 to 7 is curfew. After 8 o'clock, if you go, you come in the legal environment. That means you didn't follow it, and the legal action should be taken on you. Because of coronavirus, uh, government is keeping the lockdown, like they're extending lockdown state wise or country wise. That is the case of political environment. That is the case of political environment. And the situations because of coronavirus, I mean the economy is falling down. That is the case of economic environment. So legal environment means what is imposed by law. Political environment, which is because of the political parties. And economic environment is because of the situations. Next one is technological environment. This would be comparatively very easy to understand. Technology keeps on changing, and as a business unit we have to change it. You see mobile phones, initially it was coming off that green lemon screen, then it came off white screen, then it came off large screen, then it came off touch screen. So now if you are manufacturing mobile phones, you have to adopt the latest technology. People lifestyle is like they want techno savvy product. They want that things should be done in a quick way, it should be done in a hassle free way. So if you start your business, technology will also play a critical role. What are the inventions that you are doing? What are the innovations that you are doing? What are the new equipments that you are inculcating? What are the scientific and engineering aspect that you included? That is known as technological environment. Before 20 years, the clothes were washed by hands. Now they are washed by machines, semi-automatic. Now they are washed by automatic machines. Same way, before 20 years there were fans, then came cooler. Right now it is AC, then inverter AC. That is a case of technological environment. Same with bank. Before like I mean 20 years you need to go to bank for withdraw money or deposit money. Now you can do with online. Now the wallet like Paytm has came. These are the examples of technological environment. If we talk about computers, CD was the first, I mean floppy drive was the first to transfer the data, then CD drive came, then pen drive came. So that is technological environment. So these are the environment which you need to study. And when you are having your business, you have to ensure this, that you are adopting or you are following the latest technology in your business. That is technological environment. So again, I'm just repeating this. These are the dimensions of BE. Basically there are 5: economic environment, social environment, legal, political and technological. So dimension of B, you are not supposed to skip. This is one of the most important or the most important topic of this chapter. Thank you very much.